We all know that the Renaissance era began in the 14th century when people started to take a deep interest in classical works. The one who is believed to bridge the gap between the Gothic period and the Renaissance is the Italian sculptor Nicola Pisano. It was said that Nicola took an interest in Roman art during his study of Roman artifacts in southern Italy and later on implemented these classical elements to his work, the pulpit in the Pisa Baptistry. Although Nicola laid the groundwork of classical elements in art, he didn't fully implement them in his works, as most of them still had some Gothic influences from the medieval era. The one who fully broke away from the Gothic style was Giotto di Bondone, who was called the father of the Renaissance art, as he was considered a pioneer for introducing realism, perspective, and emotional depth in his paintings. He was also the first artist credited with using the fresco technique, which was crucial in the transition from medieval to Renaissance art. Although most of Giotto's work has been destroyed or lost, his influence, however, continued to be recognized by later artists like Masaccio, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Botticelli. Even the great Renaissance architect Brunelleschi utilized Giotto's approach in many of his projects.